how to fix there was a problem with your iCloud subscription payment. So if you want to fix there was a problem with your iCloud subscription payment, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your settings at first. Now from your settings, you need to scroll down and then you will find an option of general. And from general, you need to scroll down again and go with transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. Now go with reset all settings and reset all of your settings. And after resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to again come back to the general section. And from the general, you need to go with your payment method. So if you've provided any kind of payment methods which is not working properly, then you have to simply update your payment method. You have to click to the details of your payment method, like just simply go with your name and then go with payment and delivery. And if you've added any payment methods, you need to just simply go and update it. Just remove the payment method that you have and then add another payment method, or just remove and add the same payment method. Just add genuine details. You have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. But if it's still there, then you can simply go with the Apple discussion. You have to simply ask about the solution of the problem, and you will get many solutions from the Apple support page. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.